Now I'm going to show you how you can change the transmission fluid in your Harley Street Bob.
Here's some general information on check-in transmission lubricant level. The manual recommends using genuine Harley-Davidson transmission and primary chain case lubricant. Transmission fluid capacity is 32 ounces. Filler plug torque is in inch-pounds, not foot-pounds.
This is your transmission fluid fill plug, and right under here, is your transmission fluid drain plug. I'm going to remove the fill plug. It shouldn't be in there real tight. You'll see that there's a dipstick as part of the fill plug. Check your rubber O-ring at the top. Make sure that it's still good. And I'm just going to let that sit in there loosely. All right, I'm going to use a 16 millimeter. And before I forget, I went ahead and I replaced the O-ring on my drain plug. Now don't forget to replace the drain plug before you put the transmission fluid back in. All right, now we're going to refill with 32 ounces transmission fluid. Level looks good.